Cancer is a disease that affects millions of people around the world. It occurs when cells in the body start growing and dividing in an uncontrolled way. Normally, our bodies have a system in place to control cell growth. When a cell becomes old or damaged, it's supposed to die off and be replaced by new, healthy cells. But with cancer, this process goes haywire. The abnormal cells don't die off like they're supposed to, and instead, they continue to grow and divide, forming a mass called a tumor. Tumors can be benign, which means they're not cancerous and are generally not a threat to health. However, some tumors are malignant, which means they're cancerous and can spread to other parts of the body. This is called metastasis, and it's one of the main ways that cancer can be dangerous. There are many different types of cancer, each named after the part of the body where it originates. For example, breast cancer starts in the breast, lung cancer starts in the lungs, and so on. Cancer can be treated in a number of ways, including chemotherapy, radiation therapy, surgery, and targeted therapies. The best treatment option will depend on the type and stage of cancer, as well as the overall health of the patient. It's important to note that cancer is not always a death sentence. With early detection and proper treatment, many people are able to successfully beat cancer and go on to live long, healthy lives. In fact, the 5-year survival rate for many types of cancer has increased significantly in recent years thanks to advances in treatment and early detection. So what can you do to reduce your risk of cancer? While there's no surefire way to prevent it, there are some lifestyle changes you can make to lower your risk. These include not smoking, maintaining a healthy weight, eating a healthy diet that's high in fruits and vegetables and low in processed and sugary foods, and getting regular exercise. It's also a good idea to get screened for cancer regularly, as early detection can greatly increase your chances of successful treatment. We hope this video has helped you understand a little bit more about cancer and how it can be treated. And if you enjoy educational content like this, consider subscribing, and watching another video just like this one.